Hello mga katanto ko. So, day 1 namin, no? So, kakagising lang. And by the way, right now it's around 11:30 to 12, no? Napansin ko dito sa Malaysia, late talaga sila. Late sila mag-breakfast, late rin sila mag-lunch, late rin sila mag-dinner. So, parang sa atin, if we eat around 6:30 to 7, nagabi sila mga 9. Tapos ang lunch nila mga 1 or 2 na. Ganun. Breakfast nila 10. So by the way, yun, we traveled here sa Puchong. So Puchong is like Ortigas. Yeah, din sa atin in the Philippines, no. So right now, we drop by. Isa to sa mga sa kanila ano to parang sikat, no, na kainan. Sobrang ano, yan, at dito kami. So tingnan naman, Prosper Society. Tanto ko. Okay. So itong kainan na to, ano siya, nakakatuwa. Parang you choose. So walang beef dito, walang sheep. No. Ang ano lang dito is pork, vegetables, saka fish, chicken. Yan. So yan, kung makikita nyo, yan sila. Say hi. Upshine, gutom na? Yan. So ganito Ha? So parang catering yan, no? Ang dami. You choose vegetables, ayan, vegetables, chicken, pork. Wala silang beef dito. Wala silang beef. Tsaka ano, kasi parang yun sa culture nila, no? So yan, choose ka. Ang dami niyan, no? Ang dami pagpipilian. So yan, enjoy namin to kasi ito first time nila may experience. Kami, we went here parang how many times na. Masarap yung food nila, wala kang masabi. So ang system niya, how are you, handsome guy? Yay! Ang system niya, you choose any, lahat yan, konti. And then after that, babayaran doon sa counter. No, so yan, masaya lang siya. So yan, pili tayong kakainin. So we're gonna have lunch first, tapos after this, we're gonna go to one of the offices. We're gonna check my stuff there, yung mga car parts na naiwan. Dahil nung pandemic, I ordered some car parts, no, for dun sa mga build namin. And yun. Okay guys. So alam mo kung anong amazing. Yan. So nakapili na tayo. Yan. So I choose the squid, the tofu, the eggplant. May mga favorite ko Tapos yung tomato with egg. What's amazing here is ayan, kung paano nila to pinipresyohan, diba? Yan. So yun yung nakakatuwa kung paano nila pinipresyohan, how do they price it pag kumuha ka. Yan, katulad yan. Yung order ni Hansam, goreng, diba? Sila rin noodles, yan, chicken. So guys, alam mo, nakakatuwa lang, experience and enjoy lang natin tong ano na to, itong food nila. Kaya kain tayo. Pilipinas many money, kalukuhan.
Uy, siyempre, bakit sila nakabili sa sakyan? Maya.
Okay guys, so far, busog, no? And enjoy. Enjoy, yan. How's it? Full?
Good. Very
Good.
Very full.
Okay guys, so we're on our way to my parts, no? Yung car parts namin na in-order namin tagal na, no? Pandemic pa. And sige. Okay guys, so right now dito kami. I'm driving in Malaysia. Left-hand drive, diba? Ang saya. Ayan. Handsome guy. Say what? Okay. So guys, drive muna ako Punta lang kami sa dulo ng Malaysia. And after that, we gonna have a dinner. Alam ko masaya to. So, let's go. Okay guys, first time. Yan, nagda-drive ako. As you see, it's a right-hand drive. Ayan, no. Nasa highway kami. Tingnan yung dadaan. Come on. So, it's an Audi. So, pumunta kami sa dulo ng Malaysia. And experiencing. Ayan. How's the handsome guy there? Yan, sa likod. Chill na chill lang sa couch.
Yung light sa Google, sa harapan ng TV.
So, after driving, grabe, try ko around 170 to 180 kilometers per hour dito sa tinatawag nilang Plus Highway. Plus tawag nga sa atin kasi is S-Lex, N-Lex, sa kanila is Plus Highway. Grabe talagang you won't feel na nag-170, nag-180 ka na. Siguro number one because yung road nila sobrang ganda. Nakakatuwa lang, no? And right now we're here. We'll be experiencing a siguro Italian or American ito. Ito. Grabe, people here dami. So, ayan. No kami, waiting. So, ito siya. Ayan, sabi dito is eat good, feel good. So, look at the people. Grabe, punong-puno. So guys, share ko lang sa inyo. This is first time. We're already in Johor, no? We traveled 3 hours and a half and we reached here. So maganda, ang ganda ng place niya. Ayan. Yan. Ang saya lang. So, you will see mga tao yan. Mga dami. Grabe guys. Share ko sa inyo mamaya experience. By the way, yung kinainan namin kanina na parang buffet style na na you could choose anything, wala, sold out. Sobrang sarap, sobrang busog. And after that we traveled here. So tomorrow will be a busy day, no? Kasi yeah, after this we're gonna have some chilling moment, and then tomorrow will be a busy day. Will be magsasawa kami sa ATV, right? Handsome guy, let's go. Okay, so it's our turn now. Yan, mamaya share ko sa inyo, no? This is our food experience here sa their cabin.
Mushroom sauce. Lepas tu chicken aglio pasta. Mushroom grill mushroom. Lepas tu apple drinks. I choose
Drinks.
the apple with plum, very nice.
Okay. Apple with plum.
Apple asam boy 2, orange asam boy 2. Night time I bring you go eat.
Oo nga.
Nice ah.
Okay guys, gala namin tapos na. Lahat ubos na. Yan. So, nabitin. Order kami ulit. So, masarap dito yung niya, fish and chips. What's that? Carbonara. Chicken Alfredo. Plus, meron siyang tacos with beef. So, in case mapadpad kayo, so those people who are watching this video, drop by. Ito yan sa their cabin. Sabi. So, we'll just enjoy this night. Sarap. And isa pa, yung mga server nila dito. Say hi, you say hi. Yeah! Sobrang friendly. Dahil walang wifi dito, ang ginawa niya, nagbigay siya ng QR code personally kay Aliyah para magkaroon ng wifi. So nakakatuwa lang, di ba? Yung mga ganyan nagsaserve, alam mo yun, yung wholehearted. Di ba? Hindi nila tinitreat as trabaho lang. Talagang iniisip nila sila yung may-ari na itong ng restaurant, di ba? Plus, itong apple with plum nila, sobrang sarap. Tapos yung isa naman is A&W float, original A&W float, the best. Na-miss ko yan kasi nawala sa Pilipinas. So guys, grabe. Kain tayo. Okay, so grabe guys, sobrang busog and food was great, you know. And people here are awesome. Had a great birthday treat from their cabin. So guys, what? Yeah, that one. So yeah, you see, they're gonna subscribe on our channel. You show them that one. You show them. Yeah, here, Tura TV. Yeah, help us grow.
Okay.
Thank you. So guys, it's been a great experience here, and if you plan to drop by, don't forget to drop by here. Dito to sa may Johor, and it's a great night. So then, I will share. Be happy, para walang anxiety.